Today we're going to visit the Cornell Lab of Ornithology and take a walk through Sapsucker Woods. So this is where we start. To begin with, walk across the bridge which leads to the ornithology building. I don't know if you can hear the birds that are singing in the background, but there's a lot of them. Okay, here's the map that we will be following on our walk. We have a number of different trails that we can attempt to peruse and pursue. Okay, going across the bridge now. Nice long bridge. You can see quite a few things from here. Crossing a little bit of water. You can see the pond in the distance. Here we are in the woods. You can see they've got nice winding paths that are all paved with wood chips and mulch. So it's very pleasant out here. Don't hear as many birds right now, but we'll get back to where the pond is, and you can hear a lot of them. Don't know if you can see the bird climbing up and down the tree. The sun's bright, so I'm having a little difficulty focusing on what I can see, but he has been there. We're walking on the path, and here we thought we saw a gentleman in dire need of assistance, but just a natural phenomenon. Just to give you some idea of the trees here, I'm going to pan up and turn around if I can. They're probably 60-70 feet tall, something like that. It's early in the spring yet, so nothing's leafed out, but you can see a lot more. Okay, you can see that the path winds quite a lot, so that in the summer, even though there are other people here, you can think that you're completely alone. Okay, here we are at the pond. In that tall tree that's in the center, there's actually a blue heron sitting. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know how to do zoom, so we got what we got. I can't get that close to him. But it's a very, very pleasant place. The heron is still sitting in his tree, but I'm still not close enough to really see him with this, I guess, but you see how the spring is progressing here. Okay, off in the distance in this little backwater, there's a whole passel of turtles sunning themselves on that log straight ahead. There's one little antisocial fellow right across here. He might show up a little bit better. It's about time for them to be mating, I think. So we'll leave them in peace. Here's one of the many bridges you cross here, and you can see we're going over a little brook. One of the attractions of the place. There's water everywhere, not just the pond. Trying to see if we can get any bird sounds while we're here. We're too close to the road. In the summer, oh, now we got a plane. The traffic sounds are more muffled. But there are a lot of birds making noise in the background. Yeah, it's a little quieter now.